Hey everybody, it's Kate with Crate Insider, and today I'm standing here with CJ Jones from Jones Racing Products, and we have a brand new product that I just learned about. I'm very excited about. Of course, there's been a great collaboration between Jones Racing Products and RaceFan for the past several years, and this would be our standard RaceFan hub, and now there's a new innovation. You've got this smaller hub. I see it's blue. Tell me a little bit about what we're looking at here, CJ.
Yeah, you're right. What we've done is worked with Ken on this in order to incorporate his normal style fan blades, which we consider to be an odd size, so a 15, 17, or 19, which all our customers currently have, but then downsize the hub so we can turn them into an even size. So we can take those same blades and turn them into a 14, a 16, or an 18. So what we have here is an 18-inch fan blade size, but with 19-inch blades on it. So in essence, we're still pulling 19 inches of air, but through an 18-inch hole. So what's cool about that is, like a lot of our late model guys with the crate engines in there, they want that 19 inches of air and a 4-blade in the middle of summer, but they don't have room for 19 inches. Well, now we're 18 inches, so they have plenty of hood clearance that way.
I love that, and of course these are all like CNC machined. Tell us a little bit about the construction. I think you make all of these in-house.
Well, I can speak for the construction of the hub itself. You know, Ken and I worked on that, and it's all CNC machined on all our top-notch Morisiki machines, all 6061 built aluminum, so you won't find anything tougher.
Well, and I love too that, like our basic RaceFan hub is black, but then now with this one we have a 4-blade, and this is now blue, and they all come blue, is that correct?
Yeah, so our blue style hubs are what is going to enable us to do a 4-blade or even a 2-blade in the even sizes. So that way we figured if we did a different color, it makes it easier for everybody to differentiate. We want a blue hub, or like the orange hubs that some people are popular with that are our 3-blade style, or the regular RaceFan black hub.
Yes, and of course you can check out our other video that we have on the 3-blade versions of this, and you can see those in another video. But I think this is a wonderful innovation, another great way to really take some parts that we already have. We're using the same hardware, same fan blades, and we're just switching out the hub, and we're able to really integrate that into whatever we need, tune it as a tuning device.
Definitely a tuning device, because we're able to take a fan that we might want to use, 19-inch size like we've done here in that 18-inch package, middle of summer when it's really hot, or then when it gets cooler at the end of the season, at the beginning of the season, take 2 of the blades off, turn it into a 2-blade. So it gives us a little more versatility, and like you said, we're still using the same style blades the customer already has, and we're still using the same hardware.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, and then we end up with lots of different versions of these fans. So thank you for introducing me to this. And of course, you can find these in our store online at CrateInsider.com. Any questions, drop us a line. We're happy to answer those for you. In the meantime, see you guys in another video.